Two major analytics platforms, each claiming to be the best in 2025. Which one really delivers? On the left, Fathom Analytics, simple, privacy-first analytics for your website. And on the right, Microsoft Power BI, market-leading business intelligence from Microsoft. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, here's our game plan. We're breaking it down across 6 major categories: primary use case, privacy, complexity and ease of use, integrations and ecosystem, price, and finally, market share and adoption. I'll walk you through each one so you can really see how these platforms stack up side by side. Let's kick it off with primary use case. So, Fathom Analytics is laser-focused on website analytics. It's super user-friendly, like you honestly don't need tech skills at all, but yeah, it's kind of got tunnel vision. It's really just for websites, which could be a downside if you're dreaming bigger. Changing gears, Microsoft Power BI is basically a Swiss Army knife for business intelligence. Dashboards, deep analytics, multiple reporting options. It's got all the bells and whistles, but sometimes all that power is, well, a little much, especially if you only want to see, say, how many folks hit your homepage. Power BI takes the win in this round. Now, let's talk privacy. Fathom Analytics is like privacy's #1 fan. Seriously, no personal data collected, it's GDPR compliant out of the box, and you get to skip tracking cookies. That's cool, right? The only catch is, because it's so privacy obsessed, you lose out on super detailed user segmentation. Then there's Power BI. It's designed for enterprise-level security with robust data governance and all the compliance features. But you have to set those up yourself. It's not especially privacy-first by default. Fathom definitely snags the win here. Moving on to complexity and ease of use. Fathom is practically plug and play. You get simple stats in minutes, and honestly, anyone can figure it out. Minimal learning curve, which feels so refreshing. But on the flip side, there's not much you can tweak if you're into heavy customization. Now, Power BI, it's kind of a brain workout. You get insane flexibility, killer custom dashboards, and can wrangle huge data sets. But oh boy, the learning curve is steep. If you're new, it's easy to feel lost or overwhelmed. For plain simplicity, Fathom wins this hands down. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Power BI's unofficial mascot is the adorable Power BI cat? Meanwhile, folks using Fathom Analytics are genuinely the privacy geeks of the internet. Fun stuff, right? All right, let's talk integrations and ecosystem. Fathom integrates with pretty much any website, and there's an API for, minor tweaks. But honestly, it stops there. It's all about web traffic. So don't expect deep connections with your CRM or fancy cloud apps. Power BI, though, it's a beast. If you're in the Microsoft universe, Teams, Azure, Excel, you'll feel right at home. Tons of connectors to cloud, databases, CRMs, you name it. But fair warning, it's best if you're already using Microsoft stuff. Winner here? Yep, Power BI. Next up, price. Fathom is super affordable, flat-rate web analytics. All the essentials, no upgrade surprises or hidden extras lurking anywhere. Wish there was a free tier, but if you're cool with paying, it's a good deal. Microsoft Power BI Desktop is free, which is honestly wild for what you get. But if you need the pro features or want to collaborate, it starts at $10 per user monthly. And those enterprise bells and whistles can really stack up on your bill. Oh, and you'll need licenses if you're sharing with your team. Price winner is Fathom. Last one. Market share and adoption. Fathom is pretty beloved in indie and privacy-first circles, but let's be real, it's tiny compared to Power BI's fan club. Power BI has a monster market hold, more than 20% of BI platforms, and used by like 100,000 organizations globally. Of course, rolling it out isn't as quick as signing up for Fathom. You need some legit organizational buy-in. In terms of market presence, Power BI totally sweeps this round. Let's check out the visual breakdown. You can see where Fathom gets top marks for privacy and simplicity, but Power BI dominates on features, integrations, and, let's face it, how widely it's used. So, big difference in strengths here. So, wrapping it up, if you want dead simple, privacy-first traffic stats without the headache, Fathom Analytics is absolutely the sweet spot. But If your business lives in spreadsheets, needs robust dashboards, and wants to connect a ton of apps, especially in 2025, it's got to be Power BI. Really, your winner depends on what matters to you most. Want more product matchups like this? Drop a comment with what we should compare next. I'll see you in the next deep dive.